Hey guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I'm speaking a little low. It's late on Sunday and everyone is asleep, so I'm trying not to make a lot of noise. Even though you know how when you try not to make a lot of noise, you end up making a lot of noise. So that's what's going on right now. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my finished spread from the last plan with me that I did at the beginning of March. I really liked the way this turned out. I didn't mention in that video, but I pulled out some paper pads, or maybe I did mention it, but I pulled out a sheet from the LOL paper pad, and I didn't add it in the video because I forgot, but I did go back and add just the words from that paper pad, which I really liked. I thought it went well with the spread. So I really like the way this one turned out. And if you did not watch that video, I will have that link down below for you guys. And I did mention in that video, if you do decide to get these customized stickers, you can get 10% off your order by using my code Frances10. So I will also leave that link down below. And then for the week after that, I really like the way this spread turned out. That's why I was upset that I didn't film it. And you know what's funny is that I had actually already, I had pulled out the stuff that I wanted to use already because I was originally going to do it for this week. And there's a car going by making a whole bunch of noise. I was originally going to use it for this week, but I had gotten these stickers in. So I was like, okay, I'm going to save them for the next week. And I was going to film this, but then it ended up not happening. But I used some an old paper pad that I had in my stash, and I did use one of those customized stickers because I did go see a movie with my friend Jessica, so I used that. And then for this past week, this is how the spread turned out. I also really like the way the spread turned out. I did not film this, which is why I'm showing you guys, but I just used up things from my stash. This is washi that I had in my stash, and then these are some sticky notes from the Target dollar spot. Oh, this isn't a sticky note, but these are sticky notes that I have from the Target dollar spot. So I used that, and then I also used, these are from a sticker book from Hobby Lobby, the Agenda 52. Actually, I think I have it, this sticker book. I believe they still sell this. So that was mainly the stickers that I used for this spread. So for this week coming up, it is the last week of March. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. This is going by too fast. But so my birthday is actually this week. It's on Thursday. Alright, so for this week, I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do. I did pull out this washi that I bought from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for $4.99. I bought this a while ago. I don't even remember when I bought it. And I was like, when am I ever going to use this washi? And now I'm like, oh, I can use that washi for my birthday spread. So these are the washi that comes in the tube. I left these 3 in here because I knew I for sure was not going to use these. So these are all the washis. I think I'm for sure going to use these balloons. And then I pulled out this sticker book. This is the Color Story sticker book, and well, the second edition. I don't have any plans for my birthday yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I usually just wing it, you know. I feel like everyone always has this big plan for their birthday, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'm gonna make this video a speed through. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, that is it for this plan with me. Overall, I do like the way it came out. There is a couple more things that I need to add. I only added the MAC Fix Plus that's going to be on sale tomorrow. I know there is another or a couple more deals this week that I think I wanted to get. I just don't have the book in front of me right now. But when I figure out which ones those are, I will go ahead and mark them down. I also went ahead and used one of those little emoji stickers from the Surprz sticker collection because it's supposed to look like me, so I figured that would be appropriate for my birthday. But yeah, I really like the way this spread turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I will try and list everything that I used in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you want any of these products. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!